What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another nail tutorial video for y'all, but with a little twist. I will be recreating viral nail styles that I've seen on Instagram lately. I'm just gonna start off by using the McCartney gel tips and picking out the sizes that I wanted to do each set in. I'm going to be using some diamonds from AliExpress and eBay, some Yeeeer sugar gel polishes, and the Beatles gel polishes. You can see now that I'm showing you the polish colors that I'm using. I'm going to use this nude color, this black, okay, drop it, a white, this pink color, and I'm going to be using some other colors for the other set, but right now we're going to be doing the cow print set, the pink cow print set. Oh, look at my other colors. This is blue for my other set, and this jelly blue I'm going to be using, and those are the diamonds that I'm using. You're also going to need a buffer block, something to dust the dust from filing the nails off of, and a surface that you can use to mix your gels. And I'm using the Model 1's crystal and gemstone jelly. I don't know what it's called, but I have a file. Alright, y'all, I'm coming back with my nails all filed, and this is going to be the set that I'm going to be recreating by Mattia Reese, I believe that's her name. She's also here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm going to start off by painting the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky, that pink shade. And for the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm going to paint those in the base color of nude. actually gonna take some never used makeup brushes and some paint brushes that you can get from the Dollar Tree. You can get both from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use those to do my design for the cow print. I'm going to do a little color block of white and then clean it up with one of the Wet n Wild makeup brushes you can get from the Dollar Tree for $1. And then I'm going to paint on the black spots with a very fine tipped art brush that I also got from the Dollar Tree. If you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe to your girl, like it, comment a little something, anything help. When that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the matte top coat on it, and I'm gonna come back on the screen with it already on and cured, and that will be the finished product. And let me know how y'all like it, and if y'all feel like I did my best, if y'all feel like it's a good recreation of Mattia Reese's. And this is the next set that I'm gonna be doing. I put her name down at the bottom. I can't see it right now to read it, but she actually did it in a stiletto, so I'm gonna file it into a stiletto shape. This is my first stiletto I did on my YouTube channel. But I'm just gonna go ahead and file it, and you already know I'm gonna come back on with them all already filed and shaped. I'm gonna show y'all the colors that I'm not using. This is the Beatles 619. It's a royal blue color. I'm gonna be using Yeeeer Sugar color. It's a jelly blue. And I'm gonna be using a white, and I'm gonna be using this pastel blue. I don't know if I'm about to show it. No, I didn't show it because I actually forgot it. But I'm going to be using the pastel blue. So it's going to be 4 colors on this. Oh, there it goes. watch me do the base coat for these nails, y'all please follow me on Instagram at Luxury Grippers. I actually sell these press-on sets, so if you're watching them and you don't feel like making them yourself, go ahead, you can purchase some from me. So don't mind my little ghetto mixing plate. It's Q-tips container. I'm going to put down some of the nail polish that I'm going to be using to marble with. I didn't do it exactly like the picture. I actually did it with my own little twist to it. So, yeah. And I still think it came out pretty good. So it's different ways to marble, but this is just the way I'm doing it. I'm taking an angled brush and I'm just going up and scooping all three colors on that brush and then laying it onto the nail. And then if I feel like I don't like the placement of the colors, or I feel like one spot needs more color, then I'll go ahead and I'll do that individually. And I marble by hand every time. And you want to clean up the sides and drag all that extra product off of the nail, because if not, it's going to wrinkle and it's going to mess up your whole design. It's not going to look cute. And if you want it to marble further, like if you don't want to completely marble it by hand, you can put a base coat on top of the nail before you lay the marbling down like I did, and the base coat will carry it for you. But if you don't want it to spread further than what you already got, then you might want to go ahead and cure it. But if not, and you want it to spread a little bit, then go ahead and let it sit and let the base coat carry it. The same matte top coat, and that with the top coat already on, and I actually capped the marbling with a regular top coat. I'm going to be using the Model Ones builder gel for the little crystals and gems, and I'm going to scoop a little bit and put it where I'm going to place the nails. The little circle container of gems I got from AliExpress, and the long container of gems I got that from eBay. Now it's time to place your gems. You can freestyle with the gems like I did, or you could do it exactly how she put it, but I just freestyle so I can have a little bit more of originality to it. coming up on the end of the video. I'm about to show you the end result. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.